everyone, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am with another vlog. Today I am going to Nawab Shahar. Like Murshidabad is known as the Nawab city, not city, actually Nawab place, because Nawab Sirajuddaulah has the empire in there, like the mahal and all. So yeah, today we are going to Berhampur, which was also my college. Like I have completed my college from there, and now I am going for my niece, and because she get admission in there. So yeah, let's go and I will show you our day, how it goes. Yesterday, like the last time when I went out, I got sick. Let's see what happened today. The lighting is so bad. I don't know why. All time the lighting is really bad and it's really hot. I am sweating and sweating so much. So yeah, let's go there and I will show you some clips. So stay tuned, and also if you are new to my channel, then go and subscribe and hit that bell notification button, so whenever I upload any videos, you will know. And if you like this video, then give it a like and share it with your friends and family. So see you throughout the day. Until then, tada. So here we are going with our car, because our bus stand is almost 2 kilometers from our home, so we just had to take it. Otherwise we don't, like, we have some transport system like totos and all autos, but from our home it's a kind of uncomfortable. I don't know why, because maybe because we don't used to live in our village so much. And I just love our village scenery. Just look at the greenery in here, because there is paddy fields. This is our bus stand and we are waiting for the bus. There is the bus with so much dust. Look at the roads. If you guys don't know, then let me tell you, Baul is really famous in Shantiniketan. Like, it belongs to Shantiniketan, Bolpur. It's Rar Bhumi folk music, which I really love to hear. And you can find these singers in a train or buses everywhere. Now we are in a middle stoppage, which is called Kandi, and the bus is now a little bit less crowded, you can see. But the market is like, there is nothing happening. There is nothing like Corona for them. It's really scary, and that's why we are not removing our mask. This is the first time I am taking public transport in this pandemic, and it's really sad. Please
these are jutes which you can see hanging around the edges of the road, and the sticks you can see, these are like bundled up, which is jute stick. And if you don't know, then let me tell you, Murshidabad is really famous for their jute crop, and they really grow well the jutes, and you can smell the whole monsoon season, the jute smell is everywhere, and I just really love to watch it. I don't know why, because maybe I also belong to a farming family or something like that, but I really feel so good by the scent and the scenario of hanging the jutes. This is definitely one of my favorite places in Berhampur or Murshidabad. I can remember whenever I came to this road, I feel a deep peace inside my heart. And this is also a part of Ganga river, which is really holy for Hindus in our country. It was started raining when we reached there after 2 hours of our bus, and it was really a rainy day, which was really hard. So yeah, here is the Lal Dighi Park, and our college is just beside this park. Here is our college, Berhampur Girls College. I really miss this place, and when I was going in this road, the whole 3 years was replaying in my head. I just missed my friends, my classes, my professors so much, and especially the library. I used to spend so much time in there, and I really like our college because it's really green in everywhere. I really miss you guys, Sadia, Sabana, Poppy, everyone. I really miss you, Samima. I really miss you guys. Bornali, you are my favorite.
खुशी we have completed our walk in here. Now we are heading back to do some marketing. So we are heading home. I will tell you the situation like this.
So we took a state transport system which was in a really better condition than the private buses, and we booked 2 seats, and see that the whole bus was not so much crowded, just not like the private bus which we took from our way here, and it was not so much crowded, which is really good. And also almost everyone was wearing mask, which was really good. And I saw that there were maybe a rules that they can't book every seat, so there were left some seats, like if there were 3-seated, then the 3-seated places, then they can only book 2 seats, and they had to like leave 1 seat. So yeah, this was really good. I really appreciate this state. So in the government buses, like in the state buses, I think it's a rule that if there is 3-seated, then they can book only 2 seats. I can see in every seat. This is the situation. I think this is much more better than the other buses, like the private buses. The crowd is much more less in this bus, which is I think safer and good. So yeah, it's really good. So it's impressive that our state government is really looking at. Otherwise, it's really neglected by people. No one is taking.
So finally I am here after taking a shower and completing my Maghrib namaz. Basically I am here to talk about the situation and what I have bought to show you guys. So yeah, nothing much, but 1 minute, let me switch off the fan. Oh yeah, so yeah, today was come slowly. Okay, so today was a completely rainy day, so we could not do. I'm talking. So we could not completed our work, but finally I got my seeds. I will show you what I have bought, and also I got some stationery. I will show you them also. So yeah, at first let me talk about the corona situation. Okay, so we went there don't with a private bus, which was really crowded like hell. Means crowded so crazily, and no, like not everyone was wearing masks, so it was really scary though. But when we came back, we came through a state transport system, which was fairly good. Like, and they have maintained the distancing thing. Like, they did not booked every seat. Come here, every seat. So that was really good by our government, which I really like, because when the lockdown had begun, I went to Berhampur, and at that time there was no precaution was taken. But now don't now it's fairly like good condition. Don't do that. Okay, so I have bought these color pens. Like, it is a multi. So yeah, it is from Flair company ball pen, and it just cost me 90 rupees. And then I bought some black pens, because I really use black pens, because if you guys know that I like doodling. So yeah, whenever I doodle, I like to doodle with black pens. Some blue pens. These are really famous though, the Goldex one. I can remember when I was in masters, one of my friend Azim used to use them so much that and Zubair also Zubair, he used to use them so much that we really like pull their legs. But it's really good. And the eraser, Apsara one, and one stainless steel scale. I had two, like one from my school days, like from my class 10, but I have lost it. So here is one. And finally two textbooks. Like, finally the seats. Okay, so they had two, like they had some and the names. So these are beetroot seeds. I am planning to show them in winter. These are spinach seeds, palang, and this is beetroot. These are cucumber seeds. Yeah, shosha. And then here is the what it called, carrot, gajar, and this one is beans, the French bean, the small one. And these all are coriander. I love to show them in every season, that's why I have bought so many. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, then please share it with your friends and family, and let me know what you think about my videos. And also, if you are new to my channel, then go and subscribe and hit that bell notification button, so that whenever I post a video, you guys will know. And yeah, should see you in my next video. Until then, be happy and always be safe. Assalamu alaikum.